Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to unsubscribe from a Patreon page. Now, to start the video, first of all, we need to open the Patreon app. Okay, let it open. After that, it will load. So now here you can see I am not following anyone yet, but I can follow. Although what you need to do to cancel a payment or unsubscribe to a Patreon tutorial, what you need to do is click on your profile option here on the left top corner. Click on that. Now you will see my membership settings support logout. Now basically, if you have a current membership on, what you need to do is just click on this my membership option. After clicking on my membership option, you will see your available memberships. But right now I haven't subscribed to any one of, so I will show you it with a screenshot. Now, once you have opened this manage membership option, here you can see your active memberships. So right now in this screenshot, here I have one membership which is available. So you can see it. Now what you need to do is just simply click on the membership which you want to cancel. So suppose I want to cancel this membership, so I have clicked on this. Now I can see various options and payment method area. Now what you need to do is you have to see that edit or remove Patreon. Now what you need to do is just click on that which is below update option. Click on that. After that, you will see an option which will say manage your membership, select or end your membership. So just click on the end your membership option and then click OK. After that, your membership will be cancelled, and I hope this tutorial helped you. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.